Let's create your first quiz in just a few seconds. Start by heading to the Questions tab in the Quizmaker submenu. To make your first question, click on Add New. Select the type of question and fill in both the question and the answer options. Don't forget to specify which answer is correct. To add more questions, click on Save and New. Next, to include your questions in the quiz, navigate to the Quizzes section of the Quizmaker submenu and click on Add New. Complete the required fields such as the title and description, then add questions to your quiz by clicking Insert Questions. Select the questions that are needed and click Insert. Once you're finished, hit Save. You can find the generated shortcode at the top of the quiz or in the quiz list table. To view your quiz, simply paste the shortcode into any post or page. Go to Posts or Page, select Add New, set the block type to shortcode, paste your shortcode, and then click Publish button. You can also search Quizmaker in the Gutenberg block editor and directly select the quiz you'd like to display.